how to use arrows with icons. Here we will show you how to use these arrows with data points in them along with icons. So firstly we'll add our arrow, take two. So firstly we'll add an arrow on the left hand side. And to do that we can go to the drawing menu, click on any of these arrows. I'm going to use the up arrow first, click anywhere, and then you can click and resize this as you wish. First one I'm going to have about that size, and I'm going to make this green. I now want to write our percentage on it, and I'm going to put a text box with 53% written in it, and then choose the font. I also want it to be bold. The percentage point I'm going to make 24, and the number I'm going to make this really big, 48, so it's really clear and stands out. I also want to make this centered, and when I put it on here I also want to make it white. Now we can add our other text below. Drag it into position, center it, make it the correct font, and white. Now we'll add an icon above this. We'll go to Insert, Icons, and click this one and press Insert. And I also want this to be the same color, so I'll choose Shape Fill Green. We can click and drag this into position. And now we can click, cover all of these, hold down Shift, and there's our first data point. If we select all of this and press Ctrl D, we can drag it over here to make the one that's going to be the down arrow. And to turn this around, you can either hold down Shift, roll over this circular arrow at the top and move your mouse to the right and round, and that will rotate it. Or you can go to Shape Format, Rotate, and choose Flip Vertical. We're going to set this to -8% just by typing in it, and then make it red. Change the text. Change the color of the icon. Then right click and change the icon itself. And for the one in the middle, I'm going to use a slightly different shape, but we can start with this one by selecting it all, Ctrl D to duplicate, drag it into position. We're going to change the number, then the text, and this we're going to change the shape by going to Shape Format, Edit Shape, Change Shape, and choosing the arrow with 2 ends. And I also want to make this a little bit wider and a bit shorter. To do that, we can roll over this circle here, hold down Ctrl and Shift and drag. I'm going to move this text up a little bit, holding down Shift and dragging up. And this down a little bit, so we'll click to make sure it's selected and use the cursor keys to move it down. That's looking good. I'm now going to change the color of this. I'm just going to use this orange, and the same with the icon, and change the icon to whatever we want. Now we have all three of these. If you want to group them or move them, you can select all the elements in each one, press Ctrl G to group, and then hold down Shift to move, and that keeps them at the same Y position. If you want to reveal one at a time, you can make sure all the elements in this yellow one are grouped, and the same with the green and red. Click on that one first, hold down Shift, click on that one, and while Shift is still held down, click on the third one, and go to Animations, choose something like Fade, one click, run that, and each time you click, one of them will appear.